Hello everyone, my name is Clemo Phillips Wimbish and I am the CEO and founder of Clemo's Millionaire Community Corporation. So today I'm going to show you and tell you about the 3 of the best ways to market your business for free. Everybody say for free on social media. Watch me work. We're going to learn 3 of the best ways to market your business on social media for free, okay? And these 3 ways definitely will grow your leads daily. These are some of the ways that have helped to grow my business, CMC, Clemo's Millionaire Community Corporation, and I know this will help you too. To all my newbies of the CMC universe, I want to welcome each and every one of you. We're going to talk about finances and freedom. So if you like what you're hearing, definitely hit the like button and subscribe to the link below. Let's get to work. I have found that the number 3 way to market your business is Twitter. Twitter is a great way to communicate with your community and also send announcements and links. Twitter is definitely a great marketing tool. However, the only way to communicate is with hashtags. Hashtags like work from home, home-based business, and things like that. You could actually get like-minded people to come to your community and be actually in your niche. The second best way to market your business is Facebook. Facebook can hold links, unlimited characters. It doesn't limit you, but then when you do a hashtag, it does give you a limitation of 30, but that's better than just a small amount. The best way to operate your business through Facebook is through Facebook groups. You can actually have links, you can have announcements, you can have PDFs, you can have a plethora of things so that you can have thousands of responses daily. Who would want that? I know I do. That's why I use Facebook. So with that said, because it is free and anyone and everyone is on it, you get a melting pot of responses. A lot good, some maybe not be so good, but at least you get thousands of responses so you can sift through and make it work for your business. Before I get to the number 1 tip for today, I want to thank you for watching this video thus far. If you want to take immediate action, immediate steps to financial freedom, I want you to click on the link below to my business, CMC, Clemo's Millionaire Community Corporation, so that way myself and my team will be able to further assist you. The number 1 way to market your business is Instagram. Instagram is a great way where it was created for businesses to talk to normal people like you and I. It is simply amazing. The best way to operate Instagram for your business for free is hashtags and DMs. Use your hashtags like I listed before and see each post. Scroll down and see a post you like. Double click and comment. Examples of commenting is like this post is really awesome. This post really speaks to me. Something from the heart. Then DM them saying, hey, I really like the post and that you commented on how you are doing today. You know, start a conversation. You know, these are ordinary people like you and I. And gradually lead them to a sales call. Start with 5 a day and guess what? For every 5 you get 1 converted, 5 times 7 equals 35 leads. Oh my God. Well guys, that's all the time I have for today. Remember, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video. Let me know what you thought about this video in the comments section below. I pray that the tips I give it to you has been great. Once again, is Clemo Phillips Wimbish. I am the CEO and founder of Clemo's Millionaire Community Corporation, and I'll see you on the next video.